All right, everybody, this is Math 10 A and W, and I'm Mr. Sandhu. We are in Chapter 1.4, and we are on page 51 of your Mathworks 10 workbook. We are doing example number 2. Michelle is a member of the Tsatsouil First Nation and is fluent in the Shuswap language. She works as a language instructor and a gift shop cashier at the Tsatsouil Heritage Village near Williams Lake, BC. The gift shop is selling off summer inventory. What will be the cost of a carving that was priced at $149.95 if the sale sign says reduced by 60%? Okay, so basically what we need to do here is we need to find out what the 65% is. So calculate the 60% of the 149, and then once we have that amount, the amount that we're going to reduce it by, then we know exactly in dollars how much we can reduce this $149.95 by. So let's try this. Let's take $149.95. Let's convert the 60% into decimal form. So 60 divided by 100 will give you 0.60. So that's the decimal form. 149.95 times 0.60 will give us 60% of 149.95. So 60% of 149.95 is 89.97. That's the amount we're going to save, 60% off. Well, if it was 149.95, we need to calculate our price, our new sale price. Let's take off the 89.97 that we're going to save, and let's find out how much it is that we are going to pay. Well, they've done the math for us here. 149.95 minus 89.97 is 59.98. So that is how much we're going to pay for that carving. Now, that's one solution. There's an alternative solution, and I like the alternative better. Okay. So what they're saying in the alternative solution is that if the price of the carving is reduced by 60%, that means that the customer is going to pay only 40%. All right? So they're essentially saying it's 100% minus the 60% off, which means the remainder is 40. So first, we have the 100% cost. We're losing 60% of the cost because it's 60% off on sale. And it means when you do the subtraction, you are only having to pay 40% of the price. So why don't we calculate what 40% of the price is, because that's the amount we're going to have to pay. So if we take the 40% of 149.95, we get, after we multiply that out using our calculator, we get 59.98. So really, in fewer steps, we can come to our answer quicker. And the trick is that this subtraction that we do here, we did that subtraction in this step at the end. We subtracted the dollar value savings off the total. But in this question, we did the subtraction first. We took our 100% minus the 60% equals 40%. You can do that in your head usually. And then when you actually do your calculation, you just use this number, 0.40, to find out how much it is that we're actually having to spend instead of thinking about how much we're going to save. That's the fast way, and that's the way I recommend you do it, but either way works, and either way will get you the marks. Have a good day.